Last episode we mapped the model's budget, the context window, prefill, decode, caching. Now we put a loop around that model on purpose. But why a loop at all? Why not just have the model write the perfect plan and execute it? Because the world talks back. If the agent plans all 10 steps up front and step 3 fail, a test breaks, a file is missing, the remaining 7 steps are now plans for a reality that no longer exists. Plan once is brittle the moment anything surprises it. ReAct's answer is to interleave. Thought, reason about what to do next. Action, take exactly one step, call one tool. Observation, look at what actually came back. Then think again, informed by what just happened. One step at a time, eyes open. This is the whole reason it beats pure reasoning. Chain of thought alone reasons in a sealed room and can confidently hallucinate. Pure acting has no plan. ReAct lets the thought steer the action, and the observation ground the next thought in something real. Reasoning and reality keep each other honest, but a loop that thinks and acts forever is a runaway. So we add 3 controls. A turn is one full trip around the cycle. A stop condition tells it when it's actually done. And a budget, a cap on turns or dollars, is the emergency brake. Production rule, never run an agent without a budget. Here's the loop in motion, the token stream scrolling, color banded into thought, action and observation, with a step counter and a budget meter ticking on the side. Thought in slate. The model reasons out loud. The test is failing because the import is wrong. Let me read the file. This is the planning happening live, not all up front. Action in blue. The model emits exactly one tool call. In Klein, this is enforced hard. Every assistant turn must be a tool call. Reply with bare prose and the harness rejects it. You did not use a tool. And makes it try again. The invariant forces evidence over claims. Observation in gold. The tool runs and the real result comes back. Test output, file contents, an error. This is the moment that grounds the next thought. Codex CLI frames it exactly this way. Think, then act, then observe. Now the cycle closes, the observation feeds straight back into the next thought, and the step counter ticks turn 1, turn 2, turn 3. Client's loop is literally a recursion. Call the model, run the tool, feed the result back, recurse until the model says it's finished. And on the right, the governors, the stop condition. Client ends when the model calls attempt completion. Codex ends when the model emits a final message with no more tool calls. The budget meter turns and dollars counting down. When the meter hits 0, the loop stops whether the model likes it or not. That closes the engineering substrate. You now know the architecture a harness is built in and the model it's built around, wrapped in the loop that makes it an agent. Next stage, we go inside the loop, context engineering, memory, prompts, tools and MCP, the inner harness that makes the loop actually smart.